How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Troyce here, and today I'm going to show you how to make keto appetizers using smoked trout. Look at these, fit for a king and queen and everyone in between. And I'm going to show you how to make these. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, anybody you want. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. Keto appetizers. I was able to get this from Walmart, believe it or not. All right, I'm going to show you how to put this together. All right, here we go. All right, so what we have here is smoked trout. We have a block of cream cheese, one whole cucumber, and some diced scallions to get some really nice slices. We don't want them too thick and we don't want them too thin. Look at that smoked trout. Nice. All right, so we're going to cut it into strips here. Nice, and we'll cut it into strips. Be careful, it's pretty gentle. Okay, so we have our cream cheese. We're just gonna cut off a little bit. There we go. Cut it off into strips. Okay, let's lay out our cucumbers. Put a little cream cheese on each one. Just like that. Let's put the smoked trout on top. All right, and just put a few scallions on top. This will be for decoration and also give it a little taste as well. All right, and there you go. All right, we'll transfer these onto a nice serving plate. All right, and look at that. Beautiful appetizers. A snack to have anytime. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Absolutely incredible. Now for a taste test. Keto appetizers, absolutely amazing. I can't wait to try these. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to try to get it in one bite. That is absolutely delicious. It's salty yet creamy. You could taste the ocean. You taste refreshing from the cucumber. What a refreshing appetizer or meal. You can have this for a meal too. Just make a bunch of them. I hope you guys could give this a try. Let me know if you do in the comment section down below. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your night. Matt Troy signing out.